Hello everyone and welcome back to Motor Lab. Today we're stepping into a car that doesn't just represent luxury, it defines it. For decades, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has been the global benchmark for comfort, technology, and innovation, and the 2026 model raises the bar once again. This isn't just a car, it's a moving masterpiece, a glimpse into the future of what luxury driving is all about. From the very first look, the 2026 S-Class commands respect. Mercedes has refined its design to make it sleeker, more aerodynamic, and even more sophisticated. The iconic grille now carries a bold, illuminated star, flanked by digital LED headlights capable of projecting symbols and animations directly onto the road. The long, sculpted profile emphasizes elegance, while flush door handles and a flowing roofline add a futuristic edge. At the back, new OLED taillights give the sedan a wide, commanding presence that makes it stand out in the most subtle yet powerful way. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by what feels more like a high-tech lounge than a car. Mercedes has reimagined the cabin as a sanctuary of comfort. A massive curved OLED display sweeps across the dashboard, paired with an upgraded MBUX system that now learns your habits with AI. The ambient lighting isn't just for style, it adapts to your mood, driving conditions, and even the music playing. The seats, wrapped in the finest leather or sustainable materials, come with advanced massage programs, heating, cooling, and even wellness modes that sync with the car's fragrance system and soundscapes to help you relax on the go. Technology in the 2026 S-Class is simply unmatched. The car offers Level 3 autonomous driving in certain regions, meaning it can take over full control on highways while you relax, watch entertainment on the screen, or even catch up on work. Augmented reality displays project navigation directly onto the windshield, making directions feel natural and effortless. Rear passengers enjoy their own entertainment screens, reclining seats, and business class comfort with more legroom than ever. It's not just luxury, it's the definition of automotive intelligence. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of powertrains to suit every kind of buyer. From refined 6-cylinder and V8 engines with mild hybrid assistance, to a flagship V12 reserved for the Maybach edition, performance is as effortless as it is powerful. There's also a plug-in hybrid option with extended electric range, letting you glide silently through the city while still having long-distance capability. Mercedes is also preparing an all-electric S-Class variant under the EQ lineup, proving that even the most traditional luxury sedan is embracing the future of mobility. On the road, the 2026 S-Class is pure magic. The e-active body control suspension scans the road ahead using cameras and adjusts instantly for maximum comfort, making bumps and rough patches almost disappear. Rear axle steering improves maneuverability, making this long sedan surprisingly agile in city streets. And when you want to take control, the S-Class delivers smooth, powerful acceleration that feels both commanding and refined. Safety, of course, remains one of its strongest suits. The car is packed with intelligent driver assist features, including predictive safety systems that can prepare the cabin for impact before a collision happens. Airbags now extend to protect rear passengers more effectively, and Mercedes' pre-safe system has been upgraded to work in even more scenarios. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is more than a flagship. It's a symbol. It represents status, technology, comfort, and the pursuit of perfection. For many, it's the dream car that shows the future of automotive luxury. While rivals like the BMW 7 Series and Audi A8 are pushing hard, the S-Class continues to be the car that others measure themselves against. So, what do you think? Has Mercedes created the ultimate luxury sedan once again? Or will